my name is Blissful Melissa, and today we're going to be opening up our May Kinder Beauty box. So we're gonna jump right into it. In our first look, nice little green booklet. This is what we see. So we don't get to see much right off the bat. But we'll jump right in. Ooh, we got some cool stuff. We're gonna start with this. This is interesting to me. It's a anti-wrinkle scrub, which sounds really nice. So this is the Derma E anti-wrinkle scrub. Exfoliate away dull, lifeless surface cells and cleanse away impurities with this pro-grade refining scrub formula. With skin renewing vitamin A, purifying marine plant extracts, slewing glycolic acid, apricot seed powder, and papaya, this formula reveals a healthy, smooth, younger looking complexion. Super excited to try that out. Let's see if we can. It doesn't really have a smell, which is fine. I mean, it might have a smell. I don't know. I can't smell anything. But I'm really excited to see how this works out. Next is the face mask, which was right on top. So this is the Mid-Flower Biocellus Peel Mask with simple 100% natural ingredients. Each luxurious mask is infused with 15 milliliters of Rosa Damascena water, known for its rejuvenating qualities and concentrated hydration. With fibers 500 times thinner than skin tissue, the gel-like biocellus material hugs your skin seamlessly to deliver the revitalizing rose water deep into your skin. 400 years of ancient beauty secrets and techniques from Bulgaria allow the rose essence, 300 plus nutrients, to keep your skin smooth and refreshed. Sorry, that was a hot mess. Anyways, it's a peel mask. Can't wait to use it. I suck at words, okay? Like big words, medical terms, or ingredients. I apologize in advance to those who suffer through with me, but that's okay. On to the next item. This seems pretty easy to explain. A little sponge. So this is a base blue mini air sponge. This mini makeup sponge blender helps beauty enthusiasts create buildable coverage. Use the air sponge mini to flaunt your best makeup techniques and achieve a natural sheer finish effortlessly. When wet, this beauty tool swells in size to prevent absorption and product waste from foundations, liquid, powders, and creams. When applied to a sponge. After contouring and blending like a pro, simply clean the Ultra Soft Cosmetic Applicator with soap and water and leave it to air dry. I've never used one of these little blending sponges. Oh my gosh. The packaging on this is way too intense. I'm gonna take it out and look at it. But we gotta unhook every single corner. I'm never gonna be able to get this back in here, but that's okay. Ugh. Whoa, it's so soft. Sorry, I like to smell everything. Wow. Yeah, I might use it. I don't know. I don't use foundation. I do have liquid blush, though. I wonder if this would work well for liquid blush. I'll have to give that a try for sure. Next on our list is a facial serum. I love the facial serum so much. I do. So this one is Franklin & Whitman Walnut Hill Facial Serum. I'll hold it up. Not that you guys can see it, but we'll hold it up. It says Walnut Hill Facial Serum is a richly concentrated anti-aging face treatment designed to deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. This all-natural, plant-based moisturizing serum contains no water, silicone, alcohol, or any other filler. Woo! Featuring powerhouses such as organic Moroccan argan oil, pomegranate seed oil, and rosehip seed oil. This anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-packed serum helps to decrease environmental damage and works to rejuvenate. Oh, we almost made it! And helps to rejuvenate your skin. Love it. I'm excited to use this. At first glance, it looks like one of those sprays. I can't remember what company it is, but there was like an energizing one and a passionate one that we got in these boxes, so I thought it was another one of those. I really like those, but facial serum, even better. Which brings us to our very last item, which is a lipstick. Woohoo! I'm really excited if you can't tell. So this is Real Her Matte Lipstick. It says, inspired by 12 women with 12 unique and diverse backgrounds, the matte lipstick comes in 12 encouraging shades that allow you to wear your affirmation. Light in weight and high in pigment, our long-lasting formation is infused with jojoba seed oil to create a matte finish that does not dry out on lips. Note, you'll receive one of the following 4 shades. I am the best, I am worthy, I am a leader, and I am amazing. That is so cute. And here's the little shades that they could be. That is such a cute, that's such a cute idea. I am invincible, which is not one of the 4 shades I could have gotten, because it says best, worthy, leader, amazing, and we got invincible. We're gonna have to open up because obviously it wasn't on the list, so how am I supposed to know what color it is? Also, I cheat, so it's like tape shut, but the bottom's not. I don't know if maybe this is the bottom. I don't know. I just opened the side that's not taped. Ooh! Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So it says Real Her, and the casing's like black matte finish with gold. The words are in gold. Wait. It's magnetic! Oh, that is so cool. Whoa! So this is I Am Invincible. Whoa. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. That is a beautiful nude. Should we try it out? I didn't put any lipstick on. I don't have anything on my lips right now. I'm like scared to try it. I'm using my camera, obviously. Very nudie. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to heat it up a little bit. Very, it's a really beautiful color. Looks beautiful. Does not really go with my skin tone. Like, my bottom lip looks white. I don't know. Yeah. It might be a little too light. Like, this would be like a winter nude for me, obviously. I've been in the sun so much. Like, I have so many funky tan lines going on right now. And my face is naturally red. So, yeah, I don't think this color really goes with my face. But, really cute idea. I love that they are inspiring little quotes on there. And that is magnetic, honestly. They have me wowed at that. Like, the packaging is super nice. The color, maybe not my color, but that is okay. Because I think I would try one of their other shades. If this is a dark purple, it looks kind of browny, but if it was like a dark, like deep red purpley color, I would definitely wear that because I love my dark lipsticks. But yeah, not a fan. I'll say the formula is super, super nice. A little hard to get on at first, but once it's warmed up, it goes on pretty smooth. I just took it off, so as you can see, my normal lips. So I'd want to color more close to this. Maybe not as pinky, but you can definitely see from before to now that wasn't my shade. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. That was May's Kinder Beauty Box. And please make sure if you'd like to get your hands on your own Kinder Beauty Box, you follow the link down in the description and check them out. They are amazing. They have all vegan and cruelty-free products, which I am obsessed with, and you should be obsessed with too. And a lot of the packaging is recyclable as well. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all very soon.